I charge on YouTube luxury travel video, then you can see this video has 2 million views, and this one 1.5 million views, and this one 1.5, and this is 20,000, and this short video get 5.8 million views, and this is a 4.8 million, and this one 1.8, this is 4.3, this is 2.5. Every single video have millions views by uploading simple copy paste video. Keep in mind, everything I will create using AI tool. In this video I will explain you. So I highly request you for watching full video. Don't skip any second. First of all, I'm going on InVideo AI. This link I will attach in my video description for its access. So, and I'm using right now Deepseek for creating video idea. You can see, give me 10 YouTube video idea about luxury travel video. I will make using InVideo AI. Then this AI tool give me lots of maybe 10 video idea. So I copy the first one, then going in video AI, then click on make explainer video, then select your minutes. So I select 5 minutes, then YouTube, then paste my title. Then here are add relevant informations like which type of video you want to and which type of video you dislike. Everything you can add here. So I don't need this on this section. And this is only stock media. This is a free account, so I use this option. When you have a paid account, I highly recommend you for using only generated clip, because when you click on only generated clips, this AI tool create instantly AI image video elements. Now I add here luxury, then language. Here are lots of language available, you can use in one, but I need English right now. You can create any others language video also. And now voice actors, okay, you can select female, male as well. So middle age British voice, I choose this one. Then everything are good. If you want to add a watermark as well, add, but this is not necessary. Then click on continue, again click on generate video, then wait only few seconds. Your video are processing right now on here. Okay, once you have done this process, I select travel stock media, then travel luxury seekers and luxuriers YouTube, then okay, again click on continue. If you click on generative media, this is a paid option. I skip this option because I have a free account. Then okay, then click on continue. Oh, wow, this is the final step for creating your YouTube video right now. Now if you have found everything are good, then click on download, but I need to check everything okay or not okay. Then click on it button, then you can edit everything and anything, media, music, script, setting, and anything you are able to change. Example purpose, I want to change it, Arman, and everything. Okay, I skip this option, then cross button, then click on download button. Stock watermark normal 150, then click on download button. When you have a paid account, you can select no watermark and subtitle and 180. This is a different.
Yo, what is up everybody? It's Armin, back with another video, and let me tell you, this one is special. We're talking luxury travel, the kind of stuff most people only dream about. Today, we're stepping inside the most exclusive airport lounges on the planet. Get ready to explore the top 5 most extravagant airport lounges in the world. We're talking private suites, Michelin star dining, spas, you name it, these lounges have it all. This isn't just about waiting for a flight, it's about experiencing a level of comfort and service that's on another level. So buckle up, sit back, and get ready for a wild ride. We're about to see how the other half flies. First up, we're heading to Singapore Changi Airport, consistently ranked as one of the best in the world. But we're not just stopping at any lounge, oh no. We're going behind the velvet rope into the inner sanctum, the private room. This place is the definition of exclusivity. It's so exclusive, you can't even buy your way in. The only way to experience the private room is to be flying Singapore Airlines Suites class. Talk about high rollers. But what do you actually get? Well, imagine this. Dedicated check-in, private security screening, a chauffeured buggy ride to the lounge. And that's just the beginning. Inside, it's like stepping into a 5-star hotel. Plush armchairs, crystal chandeliers, fine dining restaurants serving up world-class cuisine. It's the kind of place where you forget you're even in an airport. Next up, we're flying to Frankfurt, Germany, home of Lufthansa and their legendary first-class terminal. Forget lounges, this is a whole terminal dedicated to first-class passengers. We're talking a dedicated passport control, a personal assistant to whisk you through security, and directly to your gate. And if you have time to kill, well, get ready to be pampered. Lufthansa.
You can see how I create a YouTube video using this InVideo AI. If you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel so you can take care. Goodbye.